guys, welcome back to my channel. Before anything else, I would like to greet all my friends in the US and maybe Canada. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you're all doing well there. I hope that you're celebrating with your family and enjoying the holiday. So we don't celebrate Thanksgiving here in the Philippines. However, I am aware of the occasion. So I'd like to give everyone a happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate it. But anyway, in this video, I'll be showing you how I cleaned up some of my dolls. And also, I'll be discussing some things like the Moana doll that was just released. And an update on my Vlogmas. So if in case you're not aware, I'm planning to do a Vlogmas for December, wherein I'll be posting every day for the month of December. Just a YouTube short. It's not going to be like a full-length video like this one. But anyway, I hope that you would look into it when it's already available. It will start on December 1. I'll be posting every day and I hope that you enjoy it. Anyway, enough of this rambling. Let's go ahead and show you what I did to clean up some of my dolls. So these are the 3 dolls I will be cleaning up. The first one is Cersei. So she is a TLC Samantha doll. I'm actually planning on fixing her tomorrow because I'll just let you know in another video. But anyway, the second doll is a Kirsten doll, which I named Tinzel. And then the last one is a customized Rulimi number 27, whom I named Saoirse. Okay, so we'll just be cleaning up these dolls and also be tightening up their limbs, and I'll be showing you how I did it. So I'll be discussing here first what I think about the latest doll that was released, the Moana doll. I believe that she is a Corin face mold, and I really like what they did with her. They made her, gave her like a dark skin and that beautiful curly dark hair. To be quite honest, I really want to have her. So if I could only afford her right now, I would definitely buy her. But it's not going to be possible at this time. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to be on the lookout to see if someone will be selling her in the second-hand market. Because I really love this doll. I really want her in my collection. To be quite honest, I'm not really that fond of the other Disney dolls that were released. Like Cinderella. Oh no, don't get me wrong. I think she's cute, but I'm not in any hurry to have her. If I get her for a reasonable price, then yes, I would. But probably not if she's going to be sold for full price. Okay, or even like if they sell her for even like $75, I probably won't jump the gun. So I'd still wait until she's below $50 before I purchase her. But anyway, going back to Moana, I really like her. Although, to be quite honest, if I was the one choosing which face mold would be showing the Moana doll, I would probably not have chosen Corin. I don't think the Corin doll is the one that they should have chosen if they really want to portray Moana. I think the closest one to Moana's look is the classic face mold because of the roundness. If I remember correctly, Moana has really round features. So she has big, large eyes and then a very round face. So I think the best face mold that they should have chosen if they really want to show Moana as a doll is the classic face mold. But I'm not really complaining because the Corin face mold is much more unique and rare. I mean, the classic face mold has already been used in a lot of dolls, and it's good that they're trying to diversify their dolls, and hopefully someday we'll be able to see the Addie face mold also used in this Disney doll. I'm not really quite sure yet which Disney doll she would be because there's already a Tiana doll which used the Claudie face mold. I'm not sure which character they could use the Addie face mold on, but hopefully there will be someday. Anyway, I've finished cleaning up my doll Tinsel. So this is one of the dolls that I prefer to keep in one dress. So she has been wearing this for almost a year now. And before I cleaned her up, she was already wearing this, but I just love this on her. And I think it fits her personality well because I think she's a very sunny person. She's very outgoing and she loves to go to the garden and pick flowers. And I think this is the dress that is really made for her. So I'm going to keep her in this. Now we're going to clean up Cersei. So she is a very TLC Samantha doll. I mentioned earlier that I'm planning to fix her up even more because when I first got her, I like her the way she is. However, I've noticed that for some reason she is still dirty looking even though I've already cleaned her up. Probably it's because of the splotches on her skin. I like the way her skin is has oxidized and made it darker, but I think she deserves better. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to put acne cream all over her body and then I'm going to put her outside. Good thing that it's not very rainy this past few days. So there we have sunlight and I'm going to keep her under the sunlight so that we can bleach out the markings on her face. It's not really that obvious here. The backstory I gave this doll is that she is a witch. I named her after Circe from the Greek mythology, and Circe, in case you're not aware, is considered to be a witch or a sorceress, same difference. So yeah, I thought that it really fits her personality to be a little bit different from the usual doll because I really like this uniqueness about her. I actually thought that she was just like you number 2 because she really has this olive skin tone when I purchased her from an online seller, but as it turns out she's not number 2 and she's just a TLC Samantha doll. But I love her just the same. I even made her one of my witches because I have several witches in my collection. Well, I gave them the backstory of being witches, so they're not really witches per se, but who knows. Hopefully, I will be able to get more dolls in the future and I'll turn them into characters. Paranormal characters to be exact because I love paranormal. So here's Cersei all cleaned up. Even though she still looks a bit dirty as I said because of her markings, the splotches on her vinyl skin. However, this will not be the last time you'll be seeing her because I'll definitely be putting acne cream on her vinyl skin and we'll see if that will improve her looks. Although I think she's nice now, but there is a possibility that she'll be even better. Now I'll be cleaning up my customized Rulimi number 27. She is named after one of my favorite actresses, Saoirse Ronan. So yeah, I really love that actress. And at first, to be quite honest, I mispronounced her name because her name is not really that common. It's very unique. It's not a name that you hear every day, like Lisa or Mary or something like that. But yeah, I at first I was pronouncing it as Sawirs. Okay. Because I really didn't know how to pronounce it, and then as it turns out it's supposed to be pronounced as Saoirse, which is even better. It's almost like Sasha, which I also like that name, but better, Saoirse. As I mentioned earlier, I am already in the process of preparing for Vlogmas. I've already pre-recorded 10 videos. I'm very excited to let everyone see what I did for Vlogmas. I really enjoyed myself, even though there were many challenges. I found out that like sunlight is really the best light for pictures, so artificial light cannot compare, like not even a bit. So what I do is since I work away from home. The only time that I could take a picture of my doll outside is when I'm on my rest day. So yeah, so that means that there's only like a limited time for me to take pictures of my doll. But regardless of that, I'm still happy that I get to like be this creative, and not, my dolls are not just going to be like singing. Like if you're already familiar of the things that I post in my YouTube shorts, that it's going to be nice if I'm going to have them do a story time as well. Alright, so here they are all cleaned up and dressed for the holidays. So you'll be seeing these dolls in like my YouTube shorts for Vlogmas. So, and you'll be seeing Cersei again in the next few days because I'm going to be working on her even more. I'm going to like put acne cream on her, and hopefully the splotches will be removed. But I want to keep her in this beautiful dark skin tone. So that's it for this video. Happy Thanksgiving again to everyone. I hope that you enjoyed your holiday, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!